So yeah, we out here. This your boy Javon. Over here weathering the blizzard, you know. Couldn't stay in the house on this little snowy ass day. I had to come outside and see what the hell is going on. Y'all see, it's like Chicago 79th Street, Ashland. Shit's fucked up. I'm gonna leave the camera on my whole up way back to the crib or whatever. I'm on like 78th and Ashland here. We finna walk all the way back to the crib. See what we can see or whatever. But yeah, over here. It's cold, ain't it? Huh? It's cold, ain't it? Yeah, you found that? Yeah. Hell no. That shit. Yeah, we out here though. It's cold as hell. Chicago had a blizzard since like, I'm here in 2 days and shit, like 99 or 67, I think. I don't know, but shit. I just know shit's fucked up right now. Woo! Got me over here trampling into the snow. I feel like man versus wild out here. What the hell? Shit. I'm doing it. Yeah, out here, man. Shit, but we walking though, we in this boy. Snow on my shoes right now. Snow, we doing it. Chicago out here, boy. It's fucked up out here, man. People doing what they can to get their cars out and shit. Yeah. I just walked my ass all the way to 79th Street and shit and back. But yeah, I'm doing this. So y'all can see the little damage and all the snow and shit. Y'all see this shit. See what niggas going through out here, man. Woo. Niggas trying to get their cars out and shit. Hey, how you doing?
What's up, bro?
Good, man. Yeah, we out here. I'm trying to get back to the crib. Yeah. Oh, we at right now. We at 78th and live. Shit. Whew. I can't even get back to my own block. Ain't that some bullshit? What's that, a police car? Guess a car got stuck right there in the middle of the road and shit. He like F it and he hop out the car and dip. Dang. Dang. Woo. Hey, y'all need to see this shit. Look, I'm stuck, G. Do y'all see that shit? Your boy is stuck right now. Fuck. Woo. I ain't making it through this shit, man. Woo. Boy, it's stuck. Woo. Got goddamn snow all through my shoes and shit. Damn. That's bullshit. Woo. It's my block. Shit's fucked up, man. Y'all see this? The Chicago Blizzard 2011. It's cold out here. Alright, time to get back to my house.